Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in today to TapRooT TV. I'm Emily Pritt and I'm here with Mark Paradise. And we're going to talk to you about 10 courses that we've got coming up, our pre-summit courses that we have at our Global TapRooT Summit. So let's start off with course number 1. It's the 2-day TapRooT Root Cause Analysis Essentials course.
Now, a lot of people have probably already been to this course, but I bet there's people out there who are thinking about coming to the summit who've never been to a TapRooT course, and this is a great way. You can go to the 2-day TapRooT course, learn about root cause analysis, and then go to the summit and learn even more.
Yeah.
So it's a great way to put a 2-day course together with 3 days of the summit.
And if you're an instructor, it also would be great if you need to come to the 2-day course, because you can then pick up and learn some different ways that we're teaching, because we're improving the courses
every year we improve them. And if it's been like 5 or 10 years since you've been to a course, maybe there's some new stuff you need to pick up.
Yeah, new training techniques, new group assignments.
Because that year in the summit, we always have a session for the certified instructors, and that tells you what happened that year and changes. But if it's been 5 years, you got lots of stuff to catch up on.
Definitely. Another one we have is our 2-day Equifax course.
Same thing. If you're an equipment reliability person, or you want to just learn about how to troubleshoot equipment, you can come to that course, and then we have an asset reliability session at the summit as well. So you can, go to the course and then come to the summit and learn even more.
Now, as we're rolling through these, if you're not familiar with what the course is or what it's about, there's a lot of ways that you can find out more. First off is you can go to our courses page, which we'll put a link below, or you can also go to our summit page, which is taproot.com/summit, and look below and you'll see descriptions for all the pre-summit courses. So there's a lot of ways to find out more about what we're talking about, which brings us...
And to find out more includes, there's a course outline on each one of those that you can go look at.
So that brings us to our third one, which is Stopping Human Error.
It's one that I'll be there to teach.
Yeah.
I think it's a very important course, because I think a lot of people need to work on improving human performance to make their facility or make their services more reliable, because of more reliable human performance. And so we've designed this course so that you'll learn all these things about human performance and be able to go back and develop a custom plan for your facility, how to make people may stop errors, be more reliable, and have better performance. I think it's a really important thing.
It's a great course. I attended it last year, so it's a lot of great takeaways, and you get to see all the different kinds of different systems and kind of pick which is going to work best for your facility.
Exactly.
Yeah. Number 4 is Risk Management Best Practices and Opportunity-Based Thinking. That's a mouthful.
It is. Jim Whiting's our Australian expert on risk management. He helped write the first standard on risk. In fact, he was the head of the committee that wrote the standard on risk management. He continues to participate and develop and continually improve risk-based management thinking. And I think every year people go to that course, he keeps it small so they can have discussions. And I think every year people give him amazing critiques about it. And I think anybody who's interested in risk management or risk opportunity-based thinking should be in that course and learn from Jim.
Yep. Number 5, we have our 2-day TapRooT Evidence Collection and Interviewing Techniques course.
Yes.
Yeah. That one is very helpful. When you're doing your snap chart, you're not wanting to place blame, and how to get the information that you're looking for.
If you don't have good information, you can't do a good root cause analysis. So this whole course is about how to get great information to make your root cause analysis great. And it's all about getting things to put on your snap chart and really make your investigation amazing. And I think Barb is just like a great instructor for this. She really just dug into this and has an excellent course for people.
Agreed. We also have our number 6 is our 2-day Best Practices in Mistake Proofing and Corrective Actions Development. Another mouthful.
That is. Kevin Mcmanus' course. Kevin is, I guess I'd say, just an expert in performance improvement. He's been an evaluator on the Baldrige Award for maybe like a decade. Then he became a senior evaluator, and now he's like a mentor to the whole process. So Kevin really knows what he's talking about, and he just shares that knowledge, and it really fits into somebody who's using TapRooT to develop corrective actions and make them better.
And we're getting on number 7 out of 10, and I would already struggle with, I want to go to all of these. So how do you choose a course when you've got so many great ones?
I think the point of this is, when you choose a course, is that you got to pick what you think is going to be the best for helping you that year improve performance. And so, I sort of like you, I'd like to do all of them. It only takes 10 years to get all 10 courses in. But the answer is, maybe I can pick what's going to help me the most. Maybe you're implementing software and you want to know more about software, and therefore you pick number 7, getting the most from your software, and you learn from Dan and Angie, the people who manage the whole project on software, and you're going to find out secrets to implement or to use, and maybe you're going to be able to go back and develop custom reports. Maybe you're going to go back and learn how you can use your statistics. Maybe you're going to learn facts about how you draw your snap chart. Any of those things that make it easier for you to do investigations and have more effective investigations and do better reports on your investigations and do better presentations after your investigations, all of which help you.
And see, when you're doing a presentation, that involves more than just yourself. There's other people.
Yes.
So you should bring a team to the summit, and hey, you go to the software course, Mark, and I'll go to Stopping Human Error, and we'll divide and conquer and compare notes.
And what about somebody needs to go to Equifax too?
Yeah, so we got to get just the group, get us all to go, and everybody can compare notes afterwards, because I can't be in all of these courses.
So if you're a big site or from a bigger company, you may want to bring a team of 5, 10, maybe even 20 people to the summit and have some attend all these courses.
Yeah, it's an excellent way to get notes and be able to be in all of them.
Yep.
Yeah. So number 8, we have analyzing and improving company culture. That's a big one.
Yep. This is a course that we've done for several years. It really fits in with TapRooT, and how you use TapRooT to do investigations can also provide you insight into culture problems within your company and how to fix them. And so people are always interested in analyzing culture and solving company culture problems. This is the course for you if you want to do that.
Excellent. We also have a newer course, is that right? The executive leadership?
Well, these last two are both new this year to the TapRooT Summit. They've never been at the summit before. And the executive leadership one is for executives to go to. We've got lots of great information for executives at the summit, so we added this course before the summit that's really, what does a vice president or a plant manager or even a CEO need to know about TapRooT in running their business, and how they should use TapRooT in running their business.
So if I was in a leadership position like that, if I had to pick, would I go to this one or would I go to the 2-day?
I think you'd go to this one, because this is going to be more focused on your job. You'll learn about TapRooT in the course, but you'll really learn more about how does it affect you and how are you going to use it than just how to do it.
That makes a lot of sense. And then lastly, number 10 is audits and proactive improvement using TapRooT.
Yes. So we've done audit courses before, but this is a brand new course about auditing and proactive improvement and how to use TapRooT to do that. And I think people will find it very helpful if they do any kind of auditing, how you can be better at understanding and using the information out of your audit and finding root causes of the problems you identify in your audit so that you can really have effective corrective actions. And that's what this course is all about.
So there you have it. Those are our 10 pre-summit courses that we're going to have during Summit Week. But the training, the knowledge, it doesn't stop there. It does continue through the rest of the week through our conference that we know as the Global TapRooT Summit.
And you can come to the course and the summit, or you can come to the summit by itself if you can't have the time to go to the courses, or you can come to just a course if you want to, and not attend the summit. I think it's much more effective to go to both the course and the summit. It's one travel bill, it's 1 week, and there's tremendous amounts you can learn. And I've never seen anybody at the end of this go, you know, I'm sorry I spent a whole week here. They're always, wow, this was such great information. The course really fit together with the summit. The learning I'm taking back home is really amazing, and I would recommend this to other people. And so a lot of people tell me that, and if you come, you'll find that out.
Yep. So look below. We'll have links to get you to learn more about the courses and find one that's going to work for you. You can also register for the summit. We'll have a link for that below as well. And then don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell and check back each week as we have more videos for TapRooT TV. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you later.
Bye.